What is up, everybody? Welcome to your 18th Python tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys about a couple methods: join, lowercase, and replace. So get ready, put your boots on, and get ready to learn. The first thing I want to be talking to you guys about is join. I told you guys in the last tutorial, I showed you guys how to do this, and what it pretty much does is take a sequence and join it together in a certain way. In a common way to do this is to add a character between every element in the string. So let's go ahead and make a sequence called sequence. I have to spell things out loud a lot, just deal with it. And let's make one like, hey there, Bessie Haas. We'll add one more. So now let me convert all these to strings using my famous quote. Press enter, bam. Make sure we got it. Ooh, not bad. Alright, now we have a sequence. Now we can use something that acts like glue to hold everything together. So let me just go ahead and name that glue. And I'm going to use just any word. You can use any character, any word. So now we have a sequence and another variable that's just a string. And how you join these together is first you type in what you want to go in between the string. This is the, well, let me show you. The first thing you would type is glue in this case, or the word you want to go in between each of these elements. The next thing you would type is join. Now this is the built-in method to join. And lastly you would write, alright, what's the string or sequence that you want to join together? And ours is appropriately named sequence, sequence. So now once you press enter, we get hey. Again, this sequence is hey there, Bessie Haas. And oh man, I used Haas twice. I didn't even know. I gotta think of more words. But anyways, glue is Haas. So it goes hey Haas, there Haas, Bessie Haas, Haas. Should have thought that one through. But pretty much it takes your entire sequence and puts Haas in between it. And again, that's what word you want in between it, join, and what sequence you want to join. And that's useful in a lot of different things, and I'll be showing you that later. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is how to take any random string and change it all to lowercase. And this is useful also a lot. So let's put rand str for random string. Now let's just type something on top of my head. I wish I had no sausage. And as you can see, I capitalized pretty much random words and characters in here. Now let me press enter, and now we have a random string that has various capital letters on it. If we want to change all of these to lowercase, all you would need to do is type what you want to change into lowercase, period, lower, and then your parameters would be empty because it doesn't take any arguments. So again, random string dot lower will change it all into lowercase. As you can see, even if the first letter isn't capitalized, it will change both of those letters. So I and H and no, those are all lowercase now. So that's how you do that using the lower function, or excuse me, method. And another thing, the last method I want to talk to you guys about in this tutorial is something called replace. And if you can't guess what it does, I'll give you a hint. It replaces something. So let's go ahead and make a string. I'm gonna name my truth because I don't know, because I'm bored. And let's just say the truth is I love old women. Do I? I'll let you decide. And now we have a string that says I love old women. But say we wanted to use a replace method. What we would do is this: type in the word truth, type in replace. Again, replace is the built-in method, and your arguments for this, the first argument is what word do you want to replace? Well, I want to replace women. What do I want to replace it with? Men. And then again, I love old men. WTF? What this does is, you can see, is takes any word from the string, and you can use it to replace it for any other word. And this will work in, if you had like I love old women and young women, it would replace both of those women for men. So this is I don't know, I guess you could I guess you could use it for a dating website or something, but that is how you use the replace function to, again, by function I mean method. So join, lowercase, and replace are some simple methods that you can use for strings. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you guys some cooler string methods. So pay attention, play around with this a little bit, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you then.